Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning, sir.
Today, we're going to talk about something very important. Can anyone guess what it is?
Is it about the importance of learning English?
Exactly, Nusrat. You're absolutely right. Today, we're going to talk about why learning English is so important for students, like you and me. English is not just another language. It's a tool, one that can open doors to many opportunities. How many of you have ever heard someone speak English outside of school? That's right. English is spoken all around the world. It's the universal language of business, science, and technology. Pause for impact, and it's the language of the internet.
Sir, does that mean if we learn English, we can understand everything on the internet?
Absolutely, Nusrat. Pauses. Did you know that over 50% of content on the internet is in English? That means if you know English, you can access a vast amount of information, from educational videos to the latest news and discoveries. English is not just spoken in one country. It's spoken in many countries all over the world, like the United States, the UK, Canada, and Australia. Pauses. If you know English, you can communicate with people from all these places.
So, if I travel, I can talk to people from different countries?
Exactly, Nusrat. Whether you're traveling for fun, studying abroad, or even for business, knowing English will help you connect with people from all walks of life. Now, let's talk about career opportunities. Imagine you want to become a doctor, engineer, or even a software developer. Pauses and looks at students. English is crucial because many research papers, textbooks, and even instructions for the latest technology are in English.
So, if I want to be a scientist, I need to know English to read all the important studies?
Yes, exactly. And even if you dream of working with top companies around the world, English will help you communicate with your colleagues and clients. English is also the language of science and technology. All new discoveries, whether in medicine, space exploration, or computers, are often published in English first.
So, English helps in keeping up with new inventions?
Yes, Nusrat. If you want to be part of the next big discovery, you'll need to understand English to keep up with the advancements. Learning English also boosts your personal growth. The more you learn, the more confident you become in expressing yourself, whether in speaking or writing. You'll feel more confident in public speaking, and you'll be able to share your thoughts with others more clearly.
So, learning English can help me become a better communicator?
Yes, it will make you a global communicator. You'll be able to share your ideas, passions, and dreams with people all over the world.
Sir, I'm going to work hard to learn English. I want to make a difference too.
That's the spirit, Nusrat. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Keep pushing yourself, and you'll see how powerful English can be. I'm proud of each of you for taking the first step towards mastering English. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your future is bright because you've chosen the path of knowledge. Well done, class.